put this workbook here?
I can help you.
Thanks, Big Ugly Hand.
Okay, these are pages 64 and 65, and this is Unit 8, which is about my home. So we're going to talk about the past tense and the present tense for places inside of your home. And this is just the let's talk part, so it's the dialogue. Before we do anything, let's just remember the dialogue.
What are you doing?
I'm looking for my skateboard.
Where was it yesterday?
It was in my bedroom. It's not here.
Is it in the garage?
I don't see it. I hope we find it.
Me too.
Okay, now that we can remember the dialogue a little bit, let's go ahead and answer these questions. Part A says unscramble and write, so we have to put these words in the right order. First, Jenny asks, "What are you doing?" And Kate says, "I'm looking for my skateboard." So let's write that. I'm looking for my skateboard. Next, Jenny says, and Kate answers, "It was in my bedroom." So Jenny should ask a question. She's going to ask, "Where was it yesterday?" Let's write that down. Where was it yesterday? Done. Number 3. First, Kate says, "It's not here." And then Jenny asks another question. Jenny asks, "Is it in the garage?" So let's write that down. Is it in the garage? Okay. And last, number 4, Kate says, and Jenny answers, "Me too." So there are 2 sentences here. I think that first Kate said, "I don't see it." So that's our first sentence here. I don't see it. I don't see it. And cross off those. And after that we have, I hope we find it. I hope we find it. And done. Part A is all done. Let's move on. Okay, this is part B. It just says write. So we're going to take all of these place words from inside of your home and write them under the right picture. In the student books, these places looked like this.
Bedroom. Living room. Bathroom. Dining room. Kitchen. Garage.
Okay, let's do it. Number 1 is dining room. This is the place in your house where you eat food. So when you sit down with your family to have dinner, it's usually in a dining room. Cross off dining room. Number 2, there are some lamps and there's a big bed. So this is bedroom. Bedroom. But when we say it fast, it sounds like bedroom. Number 3, I see a bathtub, a toilet, and a sink. So this is bathroom. 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 Cross that off. Number 4, here's an oven and a stove, a sink, and a table. So this is the kitchen. 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 Number 5, there's a car, so immediately I know this is the garage, which is where we park our cars if we have a home or a house. Garage is G-A, garage. R-A-G-E, garage. Number 6, there's a sofa, a chair, and a TV, and a table. So this is the living room. Be careful, this has a space in the middle. Living room. Okay, good job. Part B is done. Okay, this is part C. It says look and write. So we're going to use the same question. Where's the skateboard? To answer about each of these questions. And in your student books, this question and answer looked like this. Okay, let's get started. Where's the skateboard? It's in the bedroom. Just trace that. Skateboard's one thing, so we can say it, and it is becomes its. It's in the bedroom. Bedroom. Okay, next one. Same question. Where's the skateboard? It's in the, here's a car, some old stuff, so this is a garage. So let's write that. It's in the garage. Period. Number 3. Where's the skateboard? And here is a sofa and an armchair. So this is the living room. It's in the living room. It's in the living room. Number 4. Where's the skateboard? It's in the, here's a stove, here's a fridge, so let's say kitchen. It's in the kitchen. Period. We are all done. Very good job, everyone.